A modest $750 investment in the right cryptocurrency could transform your financial future. While Dogecoin made headlines, let's talk about Dogen, the unstoppable meme token that's rewriting the rules. Powered by Solana, Dogen is set for a staggering 700% rise, crushing resistance and redefining what meme tokens can achieve. But that's not all. Keep an eye on MEW, trading between 0.084 and 0.0117, poised for upward movement as altcoin season approaches. With solid support and bullish sentiment, it could break through resistance levels and soar. Then there's Book of Meme, currently showing oversold signals. Trading between 0.075 and 0.010, it's on the brink of a rally, with potential gains of nearly 40% if it surpasses key resistance. In this rapidly evolving market, Dogen stands out for those ready to seize luxury and success. Join the movement and watch your investment grow exponentially. The future is bright for those who dare to act now.